Welcome to the first segment of our series on optimizing your health through proper breathing, specifically for men over 50. Today, we'll explore how a simple breathing technique can significantly enhance your circulation and overall vitality. Many of us, especially as we age, tend to adopt shallow, chest based breathing patterns without even realizing it. This common habit can inadvertently trigger our body's fight or flight response, keeping us in a constant state of low level stress. This shallow breathing limits the production of nitric oxide, a vital molecule crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and efficient circulation. Reduced nitric oxide can impact everything from energy levels to cognitive function. When our bodies are in this chronic stress mode, our sympathetic nervous system is overactive. This can lead to higher blood pressure, increased heart rate, and a general feeling of being on edge, impacting our daily performance. But there's good news. A simple, yet powerful, breathing exercise can help reverse these effects, boosting nitric oxide production and activating your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and restore system. This exercise is called 4-6 nasal breathing. It's designed to be easy to learn and integrate into your daily routine, offering profound benefits for your cardiovascular health and overall well-being. To begin, find a comfortable seated position with your back straight. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen to feel the movement of your breath. Now, gently close your mouth and inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Feel your abdomen expand as you draw the air in, rather than your chest rising. Hold your breath for a count of 2. This brief pause allows for optimal gas exchange in your lungs, maximizing oxygen absorption and nitric oxide production. Finally, exhale slowly and completely through your nose for a count of 6. Focus on emptying your lungs fully, allowing your abdomen to gently contract. Repeat this 4-6 cycle for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of increased nitric oxide and a calmer nervous system. Incorporating this simple practice can lead to improved blood flow, enhanced energy levels, and a greater sense of calm throughout your day. It's a powerful tool for men over 50 to reclaim their vitality. Remember, proper breathing is a cornerstone of health. By mastering this technique, you're taking a significant step towards a more energetic and balanced life. Join us in the next segment for more insights.
Welcome back to our series on optimizing health for men over 50. Today, we unveil the Daily Oxygen Protocol, a simple yet powerful routine designed to boost your vitality. This protocol integrates specific breathing exercises and complementary nutrition, building on our previous discussions about the profound impact of breath on your well-being. We'll guide you through morning, midday, and pre-sleep breathing techniques alongside dietary advice to enhance your body's natural energy systems. Let's begin with your morning ritual. Start your day with 5 minutes of deep, diaphragmatic breathing, focusing on expanding your abdomen with each inhale. This practice, performed shortly after waking, helps to oxygenate your blood, awaken your nervous system, and set a calm, focused tone for the hours ahead. Around midday, take another 5-minute break for box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4, repeating the cycle. This technique is excellent for reducing stress, improving concentration, and recentering yourself amidst the day's demands, providing a mental reset. Before bed, engage in 10 minutes of 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 7 counts, then exhale completely through your mouth for 8 counts. This powerful method activates your parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and preparing your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. Beyond breathing, nutrition plays a crucial role. Incorporate nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach, arugula, and beets into your daily diet. These foods help convert nitrates into nitric oxide, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout your body, enhancing overall vitality. Staying adequately hydrated is equally vital. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, including the transport of oxygen and nutrients. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, or more if you are physically active, to support optimal cellular function and energy levels. Remember, consistency is key. Integrating these simple practices into your daily routine will yield significant long term benefits for your health and energy. By consciously managing your breath and fueling your body with the right nutrients, you are actively taking control of your well being. This daily oxygen protocol is more than just a set of exercises. It's a pathway to mastering your body's energy system and enhancing your quality of life. Embrace these habits, and you'll discover a renewed sense of vitality, mental clarity, and overall physical resilience. Thank you for joining us in this series. We encourage you to implement these strategies and experience the transformative power of breath and nutrition.